In this video, we are going to look at the introductory part of computers, and why everyone should be computer literate. I assume you know the old saying, if you are not computer literate, you are illiterate. This is Khan Academy, a free online learning platform. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel, because we shall continue to reveal technical skills that will help you to boost your career. Let's get straight into it. What is a computer? Computers are tools that execute commands that users give them. Although they are made up of a variety of components, they all work together to complete the tasks that the user requests of them. The personal computer, which is used by the majority of people worldwide, is the most popular sort of computer. Computers may be used for a wide range of activities, including web browsing, writing essays, and playing video games. Uses of computers today. 1. Education. Obtaining accurate knowledge and information that makes sense is really difficult. On average, college students use the internet for 5 to 6 hours every week. 2. Health and medicine. The equipment used in medicine is changing drastically, thanks to computer technology. Now, all medical data can be digitalized. 3. Science. It has long been used by scientists. The concept of a collaboratory, an online collaborative laboratory, where academics from across the world may easily collaborate even at a distance, has become a new adventure for scientists. 4. Business. It is evident that business views interest as a means of boosting productivity and competitiveness. Sales and marketing, retail, finance, stock trading, and other business sectors are undergoing fast transformation. Others are entertainment, government, defense, etc. What other area do you think computer has not been properly applied? If you have questions regarding this topic or any other related topic, please drop them in the comment section below, and we shall attend to them. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, and also like this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning.